Who do you all want to see me bob in slow motion? The biggest bob ever, then turn it into slow motion. And then if I turn it in slow motion, I hope I get like 1,000 views or something. If I bob really big, well, I'll pause this video, and if I bob really big, please comment me sub what it if I bob really big. Okay? Thanks. But first I'm gonna sneeze.